Hello everyone, this is Khushbu and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video I'll be sharing my views on Crossbody sling bag from Miniso brand. Enjoy! Miniso is Japanese inspired lifestyle product retailer which brings shoppers high quality, stylish and affordable designer products through a wide range of product categories. The categories including skincare and cosmetics, perfumes, fashion accessories, digital accessories, stationery, kitchenware, eye masks or eye shades, and more. Let us have a look at the product first. Now this little chic square bag has a simple body shape and delicate workmanship with silk scarf and chain decorations, uplifting the whole look and making it elegant and sophisticated. It looks stunning, right? It is so compact and travel friendly. It is very easy to use. It opens up very nicely. It comes up with this attachable straps. Product form is leather, and this is how the size of the product looks like. Color is gentle, fresh and refined, giving you a young girl-like and vital sense. It comes in 3 different amazing colors: black, blue and skin to pink color type. Silk, scarf and chain highlights each other, lifting the overall fashion look of the bag. It allows you to look great on the street, the top option for women in the office or while at brunch. Let us look at the surface. So the surface is refined with fine luster and it's durable and wear resistant. A good decent storing capacity meets your needs when going to work or going shopping. You can easily dump in sanitizer, pocket perfume, small wallet for rupees, keys, mask, etc. So it comes with the straps already attached, which has quite a good length and it's easy to carry. This product priced for rupees 700. Let us see how we can carry and style this product. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye. Take care. Be safe. Be stylish. Peace.